Have you ever wondered what exactly is going on inside the mind of someone struggling with a mental health condition? According to cognitive theory, our thoughts directly shape our reality, and different disorders have very specific thought patterns. Let us break down the exact core beliefs that drive 11 different psychiatric disorders. First up is depressive disorder. The core belief here is a deeply negative view of the self, personal experiences, and the future. On the exact opposite end of the spectrum, during a hypomanic episode, a person experiences an inflated, overly optimistic view of their self, their experiences, and what is to come. When it comes to general anxiety disorders, the driving cognitive force is a persistent fear of physical or psychological danger. Panic disorder, however, is much more specific. It involves a catastrophic misinterpretation of normal bodily and mental experiences, basically turning something like a slightly racing heart into a feeling of absolute impending doom. Phobias are slightly different again, centering around the belief that there is intense danger in very specific yet avoidable situations. Moving on to how we interact with the world and our own bodies. Paranoid personality disorder is fueled by a strong negative bias where the person genuinely believes others are constantly interfering, judging, or plotting against them. In conversion disorder, the core cognition revolves around the very real concept of a motor or sensory abnormality, which causes physical symptoms. For obsessive compulsive disorder, the mind is trapped in a loop. It involves repeated warnings or intense doubting about safety, which directly leads to repetitive acts and compulsions designed to ward off that perceived threat. In cases of suicidal behavior, the overwhelming core belief is a deep, agonizing sense of hopelessness combined with a perceived total deficit in problem solving abilities. Finally, looking at two very specific conditions. Anorexia nervosa is driven by an intense, consuming fear of being fat or unshapely, which dictates behavior. Meanwhile, hypochondriasis involves the constant attribution of everyday bodily sensations to a serious undiagnosed medical disorder. Understanding these core beliefs is the first step in cognitive behavioral therapy to help rewire the brain. Which of these cognitive profiles did you find the most interesting? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into psychology and mental health.